Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, and the heatsink. Removal. Press down to release the CPU load lever from its retention tab and pull it back. Lift the load plate off the socket. Grasp the CPU module by the edges and lift gently to remove it. Replacement. Identify the pin 1 triangle on the motherboard socket by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil, and then align the CPU pin 1 triangle to it. Gently place the CPU into the socket. Swing the load plate down. Lock the CPU load lever under its retaining tab to secure the CPU in place.